All right, it's a little muddy down here, but we're down here at our shooting range, and I just wanted to show you a new thing that we put up. So my brother is an engineer for a door company, and they had some leftover bulletproof fiberglass panels that are UL rated 8, which is for high caliber weapons. And we took some of that extra stuff and put it up over here. You can see how thick it is. And apparently it absorbs the bullet, doesn't ricochet, nothing comes out. So we're gonna test it out with 223 and 308. I'm gonna tape this to the wall and shoot through it. And if any parts ricochet out or explode or come back, we'll be able to see it. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna try 3 rounds. Let's check it out. All right, so my grouping's kind of low on this box. And here's where they hit. And we have no damage to the inside of the box. Nothing. So no ricochet of the 223. All right, now we're gonna shoot the 308 HK91. Check it out. All right, as you can see, I'm still shooting low on the box, but there's nothing coming out around anywhere, even underneath. There are shots. It absorbed the bullets. No ricochet, no splatter, no particles of metal, nothing.